Hello and welcome to another episode of Bullows Paintshop Tales. In this video we are going to take a look at one of our system, which is a customized PFT pressure fit tank system. This one is specially designed for adhesive dispensing but with a unique addition of a heating jacket assembly. This was done so because of the customer requirement of keeping the adhesive at a steady temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. So this is the system in front of you. It is a complete automated system with a PLC controller. So first let's take a look at the PLC system. As you can see, it has lots of toggles and switches which is used to control the temperature as well as turning the dispensing on and off, as well as safety systems. At the top of the PFT we have an electric motor for agitation to keep the adhesive consistent. This was provided so from customer's input because the adhesive is highly viscous. At the top we also have a pressure gauge to monitor the air pressure of the PFT along with a temperature sensor which keeps track of the temperature inside the PFT. The PFT is of MS MOC. The heating jacket is seamlessly designed around the PFT and the whole system works in conjunction. This is a really great addition to systems and companies in the adhesive dispensing industry and is bound to increase their safety as well as production. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, drop a like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative content. If you want more details about this system, you can drop your questions in the comment section or give us a call or drop an email. The details are in the video description. We'll see you again next time.